do it.
You can do it, sweetie.
Shawnee!
Alright, Logan, she can do it. Wait, let's see her do it. You want to ride on with Logan or you want to go by yourself?
Logan can go first again.
Alright, well,
That way,
let's
aim
try.
him.
Get up a second, Logan.
Well, you could just turn the back, can't you?
Well, if I let him go here, he's just going to follow the same path.
Well,
I'm going to try moving it over and see what happens.
no, you just aim him a little different. He'll take a different path. If not, I'll catch him. Not
Ready?
too far different.
Hold on to your handles.
Whoa!
Whoa, crash.
That was a very good pass.
Was that fun, Logan?
What?
Was that fun?
Yeah. And the rope was underneath the sled.
In the snowbank.
And now I need to turn you back up.
Okay, Taylor, are you going to go this time? Are you going to go?
I guess no shoes on.
You want Mama to come with you, Taylor? Okay. Papa, going to come run the video camera? I'll slide down with her.
Okay, well, I was guarding the...
Well, I can
Down the hill.
keep us from hitting the tree.
Guard the tree.
No, I'm going to go down with her.
Yeah, what do I do?
Oh, she was going to go?
What?
You going to go by yourself, sweetie? Okay.
Okay, I'll go back up and guard the tree.
My turn again.
No, it's Taylor's turn.
Taylor's turn.
Mommy.
You going to take a turn, Sean?
Alright, hop on, sweetie.
I'll go down with you, buddy. Just wait, let's let Taylor go.
Hold on to the handles. Okay? Here she comes, Papa.
Okay. Whee! Oh, here you go!
Yay!
Woo!
Was that fun?
Go again? Yeah. Back up the mountain.
You want to go, Sean?
No.
I didn't think so. I'll go with you.
You want to go down on the sled with Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did he say yeah?
Yeah.
You gonna help her get the sled up, Logan?
Help her pull the sled up.
Here, buddy. Daddy'll go down with you.
We had to get him dressed to get him his boots on.
What?
We had to get him dressed to get his boots on.
Jammies didn't work.
No.
That was the problem.
Lumberjack, here.
Alright, Daddy and Sean's turn.
Now you're supposed to steer this other way. So you get down by Mom. Oh!
Get you all the way south in.
Oh, I don't think I've steered right here.
There, that'll be.
Ready, Sean?
No.
Oh, sure you are. Now if Dad gets his boots in. Oh!
Was that fun, Sean? Are you all done sledding? Yeah.
That was a good run.
Hey, going back up, Logan?
Yep.
You on the upper course?
No, my turn.
That's the perfect course right there.
Yeah, that's,
Makes the camera woman a little nervous, though.
You're guarding the vehicle.
well, you get up there.
To heck with the vehicle. I see a sled heading this way. I'm getting out of the way.
Okay.
You want to go back in, Sean?
Yeah.
Oh, did you stop yourself?
Yeah, I stuck my legs out in the snowbank. Or well, one flying right over it.
Maybe Brian should move his car.
Go right out into the...
Yeah.
Go this way so you don't hit the
Deb,
ground.
go tell Brian to back his car up.
We never took our hike up here. I'm making a snow angel.
Okay.
Hey, Hey, Tony.
What?
I found some snow prints.
Oh, yeah?
Okay, kids, get on.
Stay up there, he'll follow.
Huh?
He'll follow, he'll bring up the rear.
Are we ready? Here we go.
Holy mackerel!
Whoa!
Was that fun?
Grandma felt flaggers.
Huh?
And there goes Ted.
We're having so much fun. Now it's my turn.
Your turn, yep. Teddy.
See that hill right there? Now I need to pull it back up.
Yeah.
That's my job.
That's your job, huh? Okay. Oh, it's no time like this.
Yeah, both wet up some more.
Pull it back up. Oh, she must not have minded it. She's going up.
Uh-uh.
She wouldn't go with anybody but Grandma.
No.
You all right?
Uh-oh, what happened, Logan?
I fell on the snow.
Well,
What happens when you climb up snow with the sled? What happens, you know?
I know.
You gonna go down with Mom? Huh?
You gonna make it?
Did Papa go down?
not yet.
No.
Can we go all the way up? Can we go all the way up?
This is as far as we can go, right here. We got more obstacles.
By the tree.
Wanna go with me, Logan? You want me to take you?
No, I'll go by
To
myself.
do it? Alright.
Taylor, you want to go too?
Wanna go on with Logan?
No.
Okay.
Alright.
Watch out, Teddy. He's coming. He flew far the last time.
No, you barely made it, Sean.
Are you in? Here we go.
Keep her straight now, Grandma. Keep her straight.
Grandma likes to veer over to that side, doesn't she?
Oh, you got a face full.
You got a face full of snow?
Help Grandma